shosha mfathi ngirwasesibhorana eshashazi ngathi indaba ezibuhlungu ezingenamanje kuqinisekisiwe abantu ukuthi sezimbili ingane esezizaliwe laphana eGewood laphana njalo abantu bokufika especially basemalawi bethuthanele khona lokuze mvoba endolade behlala khona abantu abakuleli bathi abahambe kungaze konakale abahambe so zingaze kwethu abantu besifazana ababili ade bekhulelwe heavily so bethetide laphana ingane kuze kwaphoqeleka ukuthi abathetere khona lapha ematendeni according to several reports bazamile ukuyocela usizo esibhedlela ukuthi banicane bazali kodwa hayi according to report ngengisukuthi aconfirm you but nje according to several reports kusho kanjalo ukuthi hayi bazamile so zingenza kwethu lento lehlo ishiya abantu abaningi behlukene abantu abanye basho ukuthi ayi asona izilwane ngalo ndlela uma ikhona indlela abanye ngisho into esho abantu abanye basuggest ukuthi at least abantu abakhulelwe akubi bona bathathwayo kube nohlelo labo special cause abantu abakhulele imagine ingane encane a newborn you show amakhaza ematendeni so zingenza ukuthi it's a very tricky situation cause abanye abantu bahlukene futhi nabantu inhliziyo zabo alifani abanye bathi hey yakusho makusha man abanye bathi akusho makusha so inhliziyo zabantu alifani abanye bathi ngeke asonelwana ngalo ndlela but anyway asazona ukuthi kuthini uphara wakho uzositshela comment section ukuthi uphara wakho but it is what it is nganza kwethu ijana nje indaba and another thing abantu bayanda as we speak ade be 7,000 now sepe over 10,000 mhlambe namhlanje abantu abazoyibe laphana eShewood bazobe bengaphezulu even kwa 11,000 or 12,000 today because abantu bathutheleka balinda amabhasi and it seems like even nohulumeni wabo awukhuthele enough ukuthi uletha amabhasi la bantu baningi ngabe fine ngabe nje amabhasi aselethiwe ade bahlala but anyway it is what it is